So let's do it together. I'll reconnect to the public Necto server. If you would like, in the meanwhile, you can start doing the second one as well. I just want to show you how I am doing it. Okay, so let's go into training 03 Analytics Basics. This workbook. First task is to save it in our private section, in our private folder. So I'm going to my private folder, clicking 03 Analytics Basics. Okay. And voila, I saved it. Helped you make some drilling, drill up, drill down, so how it looks like. And then we can examine different layouts, as well as I examined before. We can examine rotating and so on. So calculate total, subtotals. Hope you did that. All right. So here I am again. Instead of going to my to my home, to my pane, and then looking for my own workboard, I can just see that my recent workboard are on this 3 Analytics Basics. That's how I use the home page. Now I'll click again here to hide this pane. In this exercise, you should get to quarter 1. So I drilled up and down. I would like to hide quarter 1 and to show grand totals and subtotals. So let's hide it. Hide. And then I would like to show subtotal and grand total. Okay, now I would like to calculate the sum of the summer months. So from the dimension menu, you selected show. Month level. And then summer month, actually depends, but in our country is all of the year. So summer months here are 6, 7, 8 usually. The hot summer months are there, and then we can select these members. And let's add a formula of sum. If this pop-up happens to you, it means that you right-click, and in Flash you have only menu. You don't have a right-click option, actually. Jason is asking if you have an issue with the when you thought before that I got stuck. We have an issue with that. No, Jason, it's not that we have an issue with that. It's just that this server we are working on is a server that is opened also for QA to do a lot of analytics and to check logins and so on. We are using it also in the development environment. So yes, sometimes we have some issues when the QA are doing some of its first priority things. So sorry for that, but for this time we have only a demo server that works also in the QA environment. Usually it is very stable. If it is not, please let me know and I'll fix it. But as you can see, it runs really fast and everything is fine. So let's go on. I'll click summer month and let's add a formula of sum of this specific summer month. And let's say that this is a summer month formula. Okay? So that's great. Thank you for that. Second exercise says that we should highlight the Q2 and Q3. So you just highlight them with the control key, and then we should click on the arrow next to the Q2 to open member menu. So we have here member menu. Okay. Now for member menu, we should select highlighted member, as I did before. I already did it automatically. Now we should use the dimension menu to select the summer month. Oh, sorry, I probably in the. Yeah, I'm in the second exercise already. One second, please. It's strange. Okay, so apparently I made before the second exercise as well as the first one. What I only did is the control click, selecting a couple of members, and then I had this summer month formula appearing. Okay. So let's go to exercise 3. Exercise 3 is an exercise that talks about sorting and ranking. So again, like I made before, we should drill down to monthly display. What we are talking about here is making refresh every time. So we'll have the same data again and again from the basic situation because we didn't save it yet. So I should drill down to monthly display. So I just show monthly display. Okay. And now I should sort it by unit sales. Now unit sale is a measure, right? So what I'll do is just click it and sort it by unit sales. Now all of my months will be sorted, but will it be sorted within the quarters or out of the quarters? It will be sorted within. So I'll see these 3 ones sorted, and then another 3 ones sorted, and then another and another. So everything is being sorted differently. Now, what I wanted to say is that we are on page number 6, on 4, on title 4. So we should sort by unit sales and then rank bottom 10 months. So we should rank bottom 10 months. Okay, by ranking bottom 10 months, we got the most bottom one, and the sort was changed accordingly. So actually the rank makes our data to be a flat data automatically because it gets the lowest level that we show. So let's rank bottom 5 months. Ranking bottom 5 months means that we actually use it manually. So we filter by value and say rank bottom 5 months. Yes, a question. Emil, I do not understand the question. Can you repeat it, please? While you write it down, I'll continue with the exercise. So apparently we finished the exercise. What we're saying is that it actually gives us all of the months accordingly. If I would like it to be in every hierarchy, in every quarter, I should show it in a different layer. It came to be flat layer immediately after I chose rank. Yes, Emil. The quarters were also sorted, you say, and not just the months in the quarter. That's true. When the sort is, that's true. The quarters were also sorted. Thank you. Thank you. So as Emil said, if I click here on the undo button over there, let's see what happens. So thank you for the remark, Emil. When I only sorted the quarters, not only the months were changed accordingly, but also the quarters. So the highest quarter is here, and then the second most high, and then the third and the last one. So everything is being sorted accordingly. So thank you for the remark. Now, as I showed you, when I rank, for example, for bottom 3 or bottom 2, for instance, it gives me flat data, a flat layout immediately. So what I have to do is just click here and say layout standard, and then I'll be able to see the sort and also the ranking on this on the month level, but I'll be able to see it inside the quarter level. So if I would like only 2 members to be ranked, then I'll be able to see only 2 members here, and there, and not in only 2 members of all of my data. So again, if I'm in flat layout, I'll see only 2 members, ranking my bottommost 2 members of all of the data, and not only from a specific quarter. Hi guys, I just want to show you something. I didn't show you this before. When I would like to one of the measures, for example the count measure, to be on the second y-axis, I have to click on the small arrow here on the side. Okay, I can click on the same name as well. Then I'll say that I would like it in the second axis, and I would like it to be a line chart. So that's how I can also show other counts, even when I'm talking about sales figures, and I'm not destroying the chart. So actually, everything seems normal now, better than it was before. If you'll see it, you'll be able to see that because we are talking here about count, so it's kind of making the chart worth appearing. So that's how I'm doing it. I'm clicking on second y-axis and then on line chart. Let's go over to additional exercises. So we have here some scenario and 3 exercises, which are kind of more advanced exercises, but the thing is that everything here is guided, and you are able to understand what you have to do according to the guidelines inside the exercises. Several people would like me to go over it. Okay, so I will go over it. Okay, so exercise number 2, we have to take this workboard, which is called 03 Analytics Basics, and load it. Then we have to save it in our own folder. Okay? That's it. It is saved, and then what we have to do is we should note the different chart types that we have here. So, for instance, here the chart is on Q1, and although these two charts are using the same grid, this chart is resembling the unit sales on the x-axis, while this chart resembling the quarters on the x-axis. It is not written here in the exercise, but if I'll double-click a quarter here in the chart, I'll be able to get to its month, and if I'll shift double-click, I'll be able to go back to the quarter. Okay? Now, what we need to do here in the exercise, we have to select part of the grid. So, for instance, we have to select unit sales and store sales. So, let's select them, unit sales and store sales. How do I select them? I just click here, and then select members. But in this exercise, they want to keep these columns appearing, and just to select it inside the data. So what I can do is Control-click, and then deselect some of the members. So with Control-click, I deselect members. Now, if I don't want to see, for instance, Q1 now, I do it on a row base. Okay, so Q1 and Q4 are deselected now. And the only thing I can see is Q2 and Q3 without using this tool of select members, and then everything else will disappear. So we have a couple of options to select members. Now, sales count has a count that is different than other counts. So what we need to do is just put it on another chart, but wait 1 second, I forgot to select sales count as well. Okay, so I just want to put it on a different y-axis. So what I can do is go to sales count, put it on second y-axis, and then put it on line chart. Okay? Let's deselect the line chart because it is not written here in this exercise. So I can see on the same chart in the nice view the count and the amount of money that I've earned this month. And everything is on the same chart. Okay. Now, it is ordering us to put it as a line chart. Okay, let's do it. And we should rotate the chart. So let's rotate it. I'm going here to the chart menu and rotate it. Now I'll be able to see that this chart is being shown exactly like that chart. Okay, because this chart is talking about measures in the x-axis. Okay, I should change the chart type now. To many other chart options. So, for example, I can change it to tax bar chart, or I can change it to a pie chart, or other options are always available. Okay, and I can rotate it, change the legend location, and let's see what are my options here in this chart component. So I can change it to tax bar chart and to pie chart, and I can use also the 3D mode to see things in a better way, and the pyramid chart. Okay. Okay, so how to rotate from a chart menu? Someone is asked. Just click on the chart menu and click rotate. And that's it. Very easy, simple. Okay, so I understand that everyone has finished the exercises. I would like to thank you all for attending to this webinar session. This was the second session. We've learned a lot of things with basic analytics. We've learned how the system works. We repeated the issues and the things that rose last time, and we show the system in the bird's eye of it. Okay. So another issue that I would like to talk about is what we are going to do next session. So next session would be a much more interesting session, and I'm looking forward to do it. We will do more advanced things, such as using slider in order to do some what-if analysis, and making some new formulas, and doing some exceptions, business rules, and so on. We might do some social things, but I don't think that we will be able to time-wise. So that's all for today. Shalini is asking if you can access the server after today also. So yes, after today also you can access, and after the course also. So it's not limited. You will be always our guests. You'll be always entitled to use this demo environment. We also provide installations on your side. So if you think that your connection is not good enough, or you would like it to be faster, or you would like to show your customers some data on their own, some workboards on their own data, please contact me, and I'll be able to send you a file with a license to install for demo in your site. That's it for today, folks. Thank you very much. And don't forget to send me a mail if you need anything, and to send me a mail about the people that are sitting together with you. And have a good week. And that's it. Thank you. Bye-bye.